Here's today's project. We have this industrial brush puller that we are going to be making new mounts for. Here are the stock mounts. We will be cutting these off because this is for a 2-inch pipe, but the customer wants this converted over so they can use it on a loader, which has a 4-inch pipe, and it also has a different pin location. So I'm going to be cutting these off. We're going to fabricate some new ones. I've already got a template made and I tested it out on the loader itself, so I know the design is good and works. The one thing you'll notice about this is 1-inch material. I cannot cut 1-inch material on my plasma, and I did look into laser cutting, and it was going to be really expensive to get them laser cut and shipped. So what I'm going to do is cut 2 plates out of 1/2-inch material and then just weld them together to make up the 1-inch, and then also cut these other little pieces and attach that. So I have the plasma set up, so let's get it cutting. Before I get started cutting, here is the template piece. Here are all of the cuts we're going to do. Okay, all of my parts cut, so now I just need to clean them up a bit. And then I'll be going over and removing the hooks. That's just gonna be me using the grinder a lot, so I'm not really gonna record that. And so as soon as I get everything removed and cleaned up, then I'll be back. The old hooks are out. I just ended up taking a grinding disc, grinding all of the weld down as far as I could. Took a die grinder, went a little bit farther, and then as a last measure, just took a cutoff wheel and also scored lines all the way around. Then took a come along, tied it in between the two, and pulled it together, and that helped break all the welds, and then able to get it out with a sledgehammer. So it was a little bit of a chore, but they're out now. I've already got the new hooks in place. Give you a look at those. So in order to mate the 2 pieces together, I put them on and then clamped them together and then tacked, and then I did do some welding around, and then I put on the little semicircle pieces. Went ahead and used my Fireball tool squares. No, I'm not getting paid to say that, but these things are awesome to keep them square off the frame, because that's important, so that way the holes aren't cockeyed. Got my measurement outside to outside correct, 29 inches. Got them loosely tacked, and so now it will be finish it off by welding them out. The welding on this job is complete. The only thing that's left is just to throw a little paint on it, but let's give you a close-up of how everything went. I'm very happy with how everything turned out. I think this will make this attachment usable for them. So I appreciate you tuning in.